Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to clear cache in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, the community, we have the chat and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar, which is located in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cache in Microsoft Teams. So make sure Teams is completely closed. So you can right click the Teams icon in the taskbar and select quit. So first of all, you need to quit your application. Then press the Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then, so basically, you just need to go and click the Windows key, and as I told you, the R button, and you will have the dialog box like this. Here, what you need to go and type in is, I will just go and copy it, of course, so that I don't have to type it. So you need to copy and write this. So it's percentage update the percentage slash Microsoft slash Teams, and you just need to click OK. Then delete the cache files in the folder that opens delete the following items. So delete the blob underscore storage, the cache, databases, GPU cache, index DB, local storage, and at TMP, sorry. Then just restart your Teams and it will be done. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.